Hello again, my friends. A new day, a new fixing, and it became a kind of routine fixing my laptop power supply because you see the original plug, it's destroyed, and I couldn't find a proper one, at least for now. You see, these round ones are not suitable for my laptop. It's an Acer, by the way. I have to use this kind of plug-in with two adjustable contacts in there. Okay, something like this. So the generic ones, it's a outside, which is normally negative, minus, and the inside here, it's pretty round. You see, it's absolutely round, and that's the plus here. And the point is, it have to be fit to exactly the right diameter inside the laptop. So the center pin here have to be same. I mean the plug have to have the same dimension like the plug, which is kind of tough. It's kind of hard. That's why this kind of plugs, which obviously minus, but inside here we have a kind of fork. It's something like this. So that goes to plus inside here. You see, one here, one here. And what's nice about this, it's adjustable. So I can push these guys, for a better contact in here. And I was trying to find me some replacements like that. And I couldn't find around, in my area. And that's why I'm trying to reuse this plug. You see all the plastic around, it's already dismantled because I did that before. And today I'll try something different. I mean, of course, having the wire, solder it, and then I'll cover with some hot glue to restore, the hard shell, and probably it will last some more. Yeah. Let's start clean. We have to be real careful with the polarity here. And I'm not sure, but I believe minus, it's on black. By the way, this is not the original. It's an HP power supply from another laptop. The original got lost somewhere in between my travels. Okay, so let's say the white, 18.0607, and this is very clear, 19.75, perfect, very clear. The white terminal, it's plus. Okay, so plus will go in the middle, right there. Flux, soldering wire. First I need to clean all this mess. Like I told you, this one has been fixed before. Pretty okay. Like always, flux, it's very, very, very important. Okay. How can I do that? Of course, like that. So I'll take the plus here. Perfect. And then the minus to the external ring. Perfect. Beautiful. Okay, now let me clean this because we don't need any flux. But before anything, let me check if what I'm doing is right. You have to be really careful because reverse polarity here, it's not a good idea. Plus in the middle, so once connected to the input here, we should have an orange light. There we go, we got it, orange. You see? That means it's charging. Okay, now let's clean it really nice. I need some isopropylic alcohol to get away all the flux. And let me see if I can have, like I said, I'm trying to recover somehow the hard case around. Going down here a little bit. Yeah, I think that should be fine. Yeah, I think so. That should be strong enough. You see the plastic, it's still hot here and still working. So I'll just move it around until it cures. And it's plenty of place down here, you know, for mechanical stabilization somehow. Okay, we have to wait now until it's getting cold. Okay, I think it's cured enough. Let's see what we got here. Look at this guy. It's factory. I'm pretty sure it will be no more problem with this guy for years. So maybe here I should have some more, but no, it's fine. It's absolutely fine. You see what's happening? I put it in the right angle here because usually this one stays down like here. You see? Or back there. So it's better somehow than to have it. You see? It's working. We got orange light here. Maybe I should put some more glue, but for now, no, just let it like that. I think it's more than enough. Oh, I can see that. It's really solid. Yes, people, that's it for today. I hope it's useful. And if you find this interesting, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Push like. If you want to give a little help, please like. And of course, subscribe, comment. And like always, be creative, and have fun. Bye-bye.